Why is money such a big deal in my medical malpractice or my birth injury case? I just want that doctor to apologize for what he or she's done to me and to see their face when they see that I was right. Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would quickly like to talk with you today about the purpose of the civil justice system and why money is an important issue when we're talking about bringing a birth injury or a medical malpractice case. All right, so to prove these cases, you have to have certain things. Maryland law requires certain things for medical malpractice cases, and one of those is the use of medical experts. I've talked about medical experts and the standard of care in previous videos, so I'm not going to get too deep into that, but just for today's video, just understand that Maryland law requires that you use medical experts to prove that the treating doctor fell below the standard of care owed to you, and by falling below the standard of care caused your damages or your harm. So that's how these cases work. That's how your birth injury or medical malpractice attorney, that's how they're going to work to prove your case. Now, to do this, we have to hire these experts. We have to spend money for these experts to come in and to review the cases and for them to write reports. And they have to go to depositions and they have to be flown in or brought in for trial. And that's separate and apart from the other costs that may come along the way. Deposition costs, filing fees, other types of costs that will creep up in these cases. So what can happen is that we will have an individual who will contact us, and the damages or the amount that's going to be recovered on the case is not going to outweigh or outpace what we will have to spend to bring the case forward for them. And so you can have sometimes individuals and they're like, well, no, I'm not really in this for the money. I just want the doctor to apologize, or I want the hospital to have to do certain things, not realizing that just to get these cases to court, just to get these cases, down the track, so to speak, it costs money. And so in some cases, what you can have is that an attorney will not take a medical malpractice case because the damages are not going to be enough. The recovery for the case is going to be overshadowed by what it would cost to bring it. So the purpose of today's video is to help you understand this process. So if you're one of these ones that are like, money is not really a big deal for me, that may be okay for you, but to get the case to that end point for you, it's not going to be worth it if the cost, if what you have to spend out is going to overshadow what you can recover. So I hope you can see in this video why money does matter in these cases. And in addition to that, in the civil justice system for birth injury and for medical malpractice cases, that is really the role for the court. The court is going to ensure that if you win your case, that money is transferred from the defendant to you to make you whole for what happened. That is really the main focus of the civil justice system. The judge is not going to be there to make the doctor, hey, you doctor, tell the plaintiff you're sorry, or you hospital entity, tell the plaintiff that you're not going to do this again. That's not what the civil justice is all about. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here at Boston Law Group, LLC. We will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.